Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best hamster cages that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Midwest Homes for Pets Hamster Nation Hamster Home. A multi-level hamster cage that offers plenty of space and easy to clean. Our vets recommend this hamster home as the best overall cage for hamsters. This roomy enclosure offers 676 square inches of unbroken floor space. The habitat includes a food dish, hamster water bottle, hamster side out, extra large exercise wheel, and port windows. The 6-inch deep base can hold hamster litter and promotes instinctual burrowing. Additionally, the top cover is completely removable for convenient access and easy cleaning. Moving on at number 4, we have the Midwest CritterVille Brisby Loft Hamster Home. This multi-level hamster cage combines two best-selling cages into one. The multiple levels allows your hamster ample opportunity to explore different sections of the cage, with fun plastic planks serving as ladders. It also offers space for your hamster to burrow. This hamster cage also includes many different hamster accessories such as a water bottle, food bowl, running wheel, and a hideout box. So if you're a first-time hamster parent, you'll be able to provide your hamster with the basics. At number 3, we have the Tuen Air 58 2-level guinea pig and hamster cage. This is a spacious multi-level wooden hamster cage that offers plenty of space, while also providing great ventilation for your hamster. Pet parents have visibility into 2 levels to watch their hamster play and explore. The cage is made of 100% non-toxic wood and acrylic that is easy on sensitive feet. It also features a PVC layer that makes cleaning easy and prevents urine from absorbing into the wood. This cage is great for Syrian hamsters, dwarf hamsters, and even rats and other small pets. At number 2, we have the Prevue Pet Products Deluxe Hamster Home. This great hamster cage features both a front door and roof door for easy access, as well as a deep base suitable for burrowing and digging. Wire latch doors lock to prevent easy escapes, and the rounded design of the wires means minimal pinch points for small hamster feet. This cage is suitable for a wide variety of small animals but is not ideal for dwarf hamsters. And finally at number 1, we have the Prevue Pet Products 528 Universal Small Animal Home. Our universal small animal cage with a deep tubby creates a spacious home for a wide variety of small animals. The tight wire spacing and rounded corner design with no pinch points makes this small animal cage suitable for small pets like baby ferrets, hedgehogs, guinea pigs, small rabbits, chinchillas, sugar gliders, Syrian hamsters, cute rodents and more. The pet crate creates an extra-large home with a deep tubby base and wide platform with twist knob closure and a wide plastic ramp. Pet parents can comfortably access the cage interior through 2 large entry points, a front door or rooftop door, each with a wire latch locking mechanism. This easy-to-use pet cage also has easy snap-on, snap-off mesh, held firmly in place with 6 clips. Our cage for small animals is designed in high quality. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon